Hello everybody, welcome to Will's Treasures and welcome to the Saturday morning premiere train. We're down at pouring station again and we have these three pieces that we're going to do. We got this snake figure eight, this batarang, and this owl and skull. So let's get right to it. Follow along during the process. If this is something that you're interested in, take notes. Watch my other videos. I just looked. I have like 470 videos on YouTube, which is kind of crazy since this just started out like a hobby. What are we gonna do first? I think we'll do this snake first. Powder up real good. Very nice. All right, we got a nice imprint there. Do some vent lines. Looking good. Looking nice. See if we got a nice, yep, we got a nice spot to pour there. Looking good. this one off to the side. I'm going to do these other two, and then I'll loop you back in as we start to pour the metal. I want to focus a little bit more on the cleanup on this video, so you're going to want to stick around and not miss a thing. All right, we got all the pieces all set up, ready to go. The metal is melted. We're doing this out of copper today. Before we pour, you want to make sure that you heat up your flasks. And the reason why you do that is you don't want a steam explosion. So super important. You'll only make that mistake once. And you can see the moisture leaving the metal. It only takes a second, a couple minutes to do, and well worth it in the long run. I usually do this off camera, but it's time you guys see some other parts of the process. All right, I think we're ready to go. Heat it up. Let's get some metal here. All right. Let that cool down a little bit. Then we'll pop them open and see what we got. Hot stuff. Hopefully they all came out. We will see. We will see. It's the cool thing about pouring these pieces. If they don't come out right, if you don't think you can fix them by sanding them and grinding them down a little bit, you just toss them right back in the pot, melt them down. Alright, let's see what we got. Go with this one first. That's the owl. Pretty cool. Sizzle, sizzle. Oh yeah. Very nice. See what we got next here. I think this one came out really nice. Little figure 8. Figure 8 dragon. Last but not least, we got the Batman Batarang. Get some scissors out of there. Yeah, much better. That's a cool piece. Once it gets finished, it's gonna look pretty sweet. There is the Batman. So we're gonna finish these up and give you the final product. We got one last piece we're gonna pour. Little overspill, but that's all right. It's what we have the pan down there for. See how this one came out. Look at that. Nice. And it's double-sided. Very cool. Look at that. That's going to finish up nice. So we did the 3 pieces. We got this double-sided one. We got the Batarang. We got the cool snake, double-sided snake, or dragon, eating its tail. And we got an owl with the skull underneath it. All in all, pretty cool. Let's keep this train rolling, my friends. Thanks for watching. This is Will from Will's Treasures. See you on the next video.